question paper pattern for business statistics for semester 3 students. In part A, you will have questions from 1 to 8. Short answers. Each question carries 4 marks. You have to attempt any 5 questions out of 1 to 8 questions. And each question uh, I mean you have to write at least 20 lines for each question to get 4 marks. So we will wait a few time for let others join. Then we will again start. Question paper pattern for business statistics. In part B, we will have 5 questions from 5 of the units. There will be internal choice A or B. You have to attempt any one question from A or B. All the questions carries 12 marks. In part B, you will have total 60 marks. If you attempt any 5 from all the 5 units, you will get 60 marks. And these are the short answers for the business statistics students. In unit 1, define statistics, limitations of statistics and parts of table. For unit 2, diagram versus graphs, false baseline, pictogram. For unit 3, short problems of mean, mode and median. In 4th unit, short problems on standard deviation, arithmetic mean and coefficient of skewness. You have to do problem. In 5th unit also you have to prepare short problem for rank correlation and coefficient of correlation. And there is a short question, express probable error. So again I would like to explain the question paper pattern for the students who have joined now. There will be 2 parts in the question paper, part A and part B. Part A carries 20 marks and part B carries 60 marks. Total question marks carries 80 marks. In part A, you will get questions from 1 to 8. Have to attempt only 5 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. And you have to write at least 20 lines for each question to get full marks. In part B, you have to attempt all the answers, but there will be internal choice. Attempt any A or B, and there should be at least 3 pages to get full marks. And these are the short answers. In unit 1, you will get define statistics, limitation of statistics, parts of a table. In unit 2, diagram versus graphs, false baseline, pictogram. In unit 3, you will have problems. You have to learn short problems. Problems on mean, mode and median. In 4th unit, short problems on standard deviation, arithmetic mean and coefficient of skewness. In 5th unit, there is a short question which is most repeated, explain probable error, and problems on rank correlation and coefficient of correlation. And now we will discuss LAQs and essay questions. In part B, this is the definite question, I mean the most repeated question and most important question. Define statistics, explain characteristics of its statistics. Define statistics, explain its scope and importance and functions and uses of statistics for unit 1. In unit 2, you will have problems like percentage bar diagram, histogram, ogive curves, multiple bar diagram and simple bar diagram. In unit 3, you have to prepare only 3 problems like mode, median and mean. In unit 4, the important questions like Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness. This is the most important question. Definitely you will get this question. And Bowley's coefficient of skewness. In 5th unit, Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation and rank correlation. If is there any questions, you can comment now. I have prepared important questions for the 5th unit, Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation. It is very easy. If you learn this problem, you will easily score 12 marks. This is the question. Calculate Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness. Advertisement says let advertisement be X and sales be F. understand this performer, like advertisement X and sales equals to Y. Just just with simple tricks you will score in this sum. And just understand the performer, like x dx and dx square. You just have to find x dx and dx square. Similarly y dy and dy square, later dx and dy. How you will get dx? X minus x bar. How you will get x bar? To get x bar we have to do x bar equals to sigma x by n, that is sum of x intervals by number of x intervals, like 570 by 10 equals to 57. It is a actual mean. Similarly you have to do this same with y. Later d equals to x minus x bar, that is what we have, x bar equals to minus 27. 30 minus 57 equals to minus 27. Similarly here 38 minus 57 equals to minus 19. So we got all the dx. Now dx square. Now simply square it. 27 into 27, 729. And with same with the dy square. 19 into 19 square equals to 361. Later we have to multiply dx into dy. Dx into dy. Dx into dy. We will get 513. After calculating all the sums, simply interpret all the answers in the Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation formula, that is R equals to sigma dx dy by root over sigma dx square sigma dy square, where dx square equals to 4688, dy square equals to 2224, dx dy equals to 2644. By implementing these values you can easily get the answer. Hope you all understood. Thank you. कितका जन है कि देखना था कितको है कितको श्री